Oh, it's 9 o'clock. Breakfast time? Some sound coming from the kitchen, the sound of utensil. Oh, Ma is doing something special for me. Oh, yummy. Good morning, student. Did you notice something? What the teacher was doing before some moment? First he saw the watch, heard the sound, smell the food. All the activities are possible by the help of our sense organ. We know all the things with the help of our sense organ. Now come to the topic, sense organ. We have 5 sense organ: eye, nose, ear, skin and tongue. We have 5 sense organ. Eyes. With the help of our eyes, we are able to see different kind of things around us, like marker, pen, watch and the beautiful nature. With the help of our eyes, we are able to see different kind of color also. Now I have 2 type of color in my hand. One is black and the another one is red. How do you know that this one is black and this one is red? With the help of our eyes, we know the color also. Our eyes help us to see the different kind of shape. Like this one in round shape and this one is in triangle shape. See the size of 2 pencils. Do you know which one is big and which one is small? See the pencil. This one is small and this one is big. With the help of our eyes, we see the size of the pencil and we notice that the pencil is small and the pencil is big in size. Let's move on to the another sense organ, which is nose. With the help of our nose, we smell. If I give you a flower, the smell is good. If I give a dirty socks, the smell is bad. With the help of our nose, we find out which one is the bad smell and which one is the good smell. With the help of our nose, we also breathe. The another sense organ is our ear. We have 2 ears. With the help of our ear, we hear the sound. We can hear the soft sound and the hard sound. The music is the soft sound and the sound of the grinder is hard sound. Now our another sense organ is tongue. Our tongue helps us to taste. We eat different kind of food. How do you know the food is tasty? This one is salty, this one is spicy and this one is sweet. With our tongue. With the help of our tongue, we taste the food. If the food is sweet, like chocolate, and the food is bitter, is like bitter gourd. Let's move on to the another sense organ, our skin. Our skin helps us to feel the hot milk, the cold ice cream, the soft pillow. How do you know this one is cold? The ice cream is cold. When you touch it, you feel it is cold. In this way, you know the ice cream is cold. Now, I will repeat you once again about the sense organ. Our eyes help us to see. Our eyes help us to see. Our nose help us to smell. Our skin help us to feel. I repeat you once again about our sense organ. Our eyes help us to see. Our nose help us to smell. Our tongue help us to taste. Our skin help us to feel. Our ear help us to hear the sound. That's it for today class. You enjoy the class? Okay. We will meet with another topic with a new class. Till then, tata. Bye bye.